Hi guys, this is Nick here again. Today is September 20th, I think, of 2022. So it has been a year. Here's the update of my greenhouse. At least I built a frame. It didn't really work out last year, but this year I added those cross brace. So you can see, I don't know where I found it. It's just some kind of random rope I have at home. This is something I bought. I think was a 3/16 of a nylon rope or twine, whatever. You just make a cross brace for each of the plane. Let me come to the upside. So this is the update for what have I done for it. Pretty much all 5 of the planes of the greenhouse area all have this cross brace connect to it. If you can see the corner, I didn't really tie into it. I just run the rope across. This is the one go to the other corner, comes up, wrap around this pipe, and just go diagonally and fix it over there. And because I have a comment, I want to see an update of the greenhouse. This is what happened. And there's a lesson learned of which I need to warn you guys, because when the springtime, well, today is September, so it's a fall already. I took it as all the films. I took these films off for the most of the summer. But my mistake is that I kept it on for too long. When the weather's getting warm, like the high gets to 25 degrees, I still left everything on. It's all sealed. What happened is, if you notice, all the tomatoes, they don't have much fruit in the bottom. And it just started to produce fruit just on the top part. So all the flower, they come out in the bottom part of the plants. It never got any bugs or flies or bees, and they got fertilized. Sorry, not that word. So they didn't get the flower. I forgot the word to say that. Just they got the flower has them. Then they received the other flowers, the powder. Then they started to produce fruit. Yeah, so what happened is all the flowers, they can open and then they're gonna die. So no fruit yield. And the plants were growing up like crazy. It was shooting up really, really fast because internally it's very warm and it's very humid. It's very good for the green to grow fast. Actually, in the bottom corner, I used to have some of the bok choys and the spinach and the kai lime, those kind of leafy greens that was growing. They all shoot up skinny and tall. So it was too warm. And yeah, so if you guys want to put up a greenhouse when the weather is getting warmer, you don't need to cover the whole thing up. Otherwise, you're gonna overheat it and actually reduce the production of your fruit. Well, I started putting it up because in the night started getting cold. We're probably having 3 degrees last night, and I know later this week we might have a 1 or 2 degrees in the night. So the frost is going to coming and damage our fruit. That's why I'm putting a layer up and trying to do the protection for them. Here's my update. If you have any comments or questions, put it in below. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Bye now.